practical, no. But let's come back to our discussion
Yes.
about what was missing. And let's take off from what Professor Winnie Monson was
Yes.
saying. She gave this administration a failing grade when it comes to agriculture,
Yeah.
on the economic side at
Yeah.
least as well.
Again, sabi ko nga kanina, nasa midterm siya ng kanyang termino. Kaya yung PDP, yung Philippine Development Plan, na karamihan ay hindi nabasa o naunawaan, lalo na yung mga nagpapalakpakan kanina, ay kinakailangan niya i-assess. Ano ba yung dapat ituloy? Ano yung dapat baguhin? Dahil nasa kalagitnaan siya eh. Nasubukan ng past 3 years kung what works and what doesn't work. Hindi sapat yung checklist lang eh. Kailangan meron ka ng gawin. Lalo na dahil sa bagong kalagayan. Halimbawa, itong controversy sa budget. Very compelling sana yung bill na gawing open yung BICAM. Parang hindi masyado
Fully
napag-usapan
open.
eh. Oo.
Fully open.
Diba? Ang ganda sana nun na response dun sa naging very controversial budget process last December.
Tsaka para sabihin niyang maging transparent ang gobyerno ko, di ba?
Yes. Halimbawa, itong deficit at saka debt policy. No? Walang napag-usapan dito sa zona na ito. At related yan dun sa trip niya sa US na ano bang gagawin natin
O, tsaka ang
with
daming-
this new world order.
You
Yeah.
said he was gonna come back from the US saying that I brought home the bacon.
The bacon.
And that didn't happen.
Wala.
Because 1 point lang yung nababa sa tariffs in the end.
At
And Secretary Go says they're still negotiating. Pero teka lang, I do have to point out that Professor Monsod said she disagrees with your premise
Na walang policy.
Walang policy.
Dahil may
For
PDP.
Correct. For her, may
Yeah.
policy naman.
Yes.
But she was looking for more.
Yes.
Especially on the for instance, the rice program.
Yes,
right?
ang sinasabi ko lang dahil sa kalahati ka, kailangan i-review mo yung policy. Ikalawa, kailangan mong ulitin. Dahil wala namang nakabasa ng PDP, ng Philippine Development Plan. Very few yung nakabasa at nakaunawa. Kaya dapat i-predicate mo yan sa bawat zona mo. Na ito yung policy, ito yung gagawin, ito yung kulang, at ito yung key result areas na gusto mong mangyari.
Tsaka nabanggit mo yung budget deficit, ang daming niyang nilatag na gastusin. Libreng ganito, libreng ganyan, magbibigay tayo ng puhunan.
Doon papasok yung policy sa utang. Mangungutang tayo.
Oo.
Nasa ngayon, almost on an average, meron tayong 1 trillion na utang per year. So, will that be our economic dynamo? Debt yung panggagalingan ng ating growth? No? So, yun yung mga sinasabi kong policy. Ano yung kahinaan nun? Ano yung kalakasan nun? Lalo na, last 3 years ka na lang. Last 3 years ka na lang.
The fact that he didn't touch on talking about the revenue side of things, the fact that he didn't touch on online gambling, what does that tell us? Mahirap eh, it's a
We need the
balancing
money.
act.
Ibig
Yes, we
sabihin,
need the money.
kailangan
Because
yung
on-
taxes.
Correct. On
More than the social cost.
Correct. Because on the one hand, it's a really hot topic right now. There's a lot of pressure to ban it outright. But on the other hand, there's big money involved. Right? If you pull out, PAGCOR says it contributes about 50 billion plus to the treasury. So I guess wala pang nahanap to
Pero ang hirap
replace
kasing
that.
sabihin eh, yung dynamo for growth is gambling eh. Kailangan meron kang gawin sa manufacturing, sa industry, at yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, agriculture. No? Kailangan yung mga fundamentals ng economy, meron kang
binuksan
plano
niya yung
eh.
kanyang speech doon. Job creation, agriculture, but we have to see.
Cracking down on the cartels, which again,
Again.
he said before.
Pero I wanted
He
to
said
point
before.
out pala that parang medyo naging emotional siya nung sinabi ang Pilipino ay mapapagkatiwalaan, matapang, yung mga magagandang qualities ng Pilipino. Parang there was a catch in his voice. Naging medyo emotional siya doon.
Lalo na yung mahiya naman kayo. No? Yun yung pinaka-emotional dito sa zona. Mahiya naman kayo. At yung mga hindi nahiya, nagpalakpakan.
like
Pero sana ito yung zona na, sabi nga ni Professor Monsod, ito yung plano sa future. Sana naman may matupad dyan. Kasi taon-taon na lang puro pangako.
Yeah, sabi nga niya, ang state of the nation ay yung nangyari nito nakaraan at ngayon. Hindi yung future. Although, pwede mo naman banggitin yon. Pero, isummarize mo muna what didn't happen. Para alam mo kung ano yung gagawin na.
Tama.
Ano yung mga mali, ano yung mga hindi nagawa. At ito ngayon yung gagawin
He
mo.
acknowledged that people were disappointed, as Professor Winnie Monsod said, diba? He opened with that. He acknowledged people are disappointed.
Well,
They
if
are
your approval
asking for
rating
more.
is in your 20s, no, 30s, medyo kinakailangan mong may gawin. Dahil yung level na yan, nakita ko lang nung panahon ni Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Yung ganyang level ng approval rating.
Pero medyo umangat ng konti na.
Kanya nga. Pero, ayun nga, ikaw ang pinaka-historic win sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. No? 61% ng
Since
boto.
his father.
Oo. Hindi, yung father
The
niya,
biggest-
60% eh. Siya, 61.5 eh. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas pa siya ng konti. Kaya talagang very dramatic yung kanyang panalo no 2022 election. Tapos ngayon ay 25 to 30 ka. Medyo writing on the wall yan. Anong kailangan mong gawin?
After a while, it's good that he acknowledges that the people are disappointed, but after a while, it will have a hollow ring to it kung wala kang ginagawa to address it. I mean, you're the person. The buck stops with you, di ba? So,
Almawa, pwede
Sana
sana
naman.
magandang drama sana rito sa zona na ito.
Ano?
Naglagay ka ng mga 20 na fishermen to emphasize yung West Philippine Sea. No? Iba kasi yung images eh. No? Patayuin mo. No? Palakpakan yung mga tao. Yung mga biktima ng EJK, kumuha ka lang ng 20 na mga kamag-anak, patayuin mo.
parang ayaw nga niyang puntahan yun eh.
Yun yung kanyang strength eh. West Philippine Sea, yung ICC, yun yung kanyang
ICC.
strength eh. Ba't hindi mo i-maximize?
It's not usual though for presidents to touch on the politics of things. Si President Duterte lang yung gumawa nun eh, when he would get on that podium and for hours attack his critics and talk about the politics. But previously, it's not, that's not part of the tradition. Typically, they would only just as he did, tout your economic achievements. Ano na
Well,
nagawa
yung-
nyo.
yung iba
Right?
may-
He
yung iba
also
ginagawa
showed
niya.
empathy to the people.
Halimbawa si
Naramdam
GMA,
ko kayo.
meron siyang bangkang papel, di ba? Meron siyang gano'n, meron siyang Mang Pandoy. Di ba? Nandun sa kanyang zona, si Mang Pandoy. Si Pinoy may ganun din, sa kanyang Wangwang, etc.
Si General Torre yung kanya.
Ayun nga, kaya sabi ko, si General Torre. Pero
The new
parang,
champion.
parang boxing boxing match. Parang wala kinalaman sa ekonomiya, no? Yung ganun ba? So,
Yeah,
baka...
standing up to your critics.
Yeah. Ito, West Philippine Sea. Sino ba itong mga to? No? Sino ba itong mga to? Tayo kayo. No? Itong ICC, nasabi ni Bersamin, pag may lumabas na bago international warrant kay Bato, tutulungan nila. So, yung
Speaking
mga ganun
of
ba?
Senator Bato, he was not there. As far as
Yeah,
we know.
of course.
Wala din si, of course, Vice President Sara Duterte. But Senator Amy Marcos turned out.
She did?
All in black.
Si Pulong.
Well, at least she walked the halls, pero hindi ko alam if she actually went inside. But she was wearing all black.
I thought she announced in her press conference that she wouldn't go.
She didn't go na. Siguro sa ano lang yon sa may halls lang. Yeah, there's a walkout as well in the morning.
Yeah, yung mga Duterte, Davao congressman.
The
No?
Duterte block.
Yeah. Hindi daw sila pupunta ron.
Walang susunod na aabangan is the caucus of the senators tomorrow. They're
That's not
silent.
Parang wala namang masyado eh. Parang ano to eh.
Because they've decided on it, because the Supreme Court has decided.
Ang mahalaga dyan kasi yung MR ng House. Nagpan sila para i-correct yung factual basis ng desisyon ng Supreme Court. Yun ang hinihintay. Mukhang yung actuations ng ilang senador na itutuloy nila yung trial kahit may desisyon yung Supreme Court. Mukhang pang-forma lang yun eh. Mukhang hindi naman sila seryoso ron. No? Maliban doon sa ilan na talaga ng...
Tsaka wala rin silang numbers eh.
Yeah. Pero yung mga initially nagsalita tungkol dyan ay, alimbawa, si Joel Villanueva, kasama yan doon sa remand, kasama yan sa delay, kasama yan sa dismissal. Biglang, hindi, tutuloy namin. Diba? Yung gano'n, no? Tapos binawi rin niya later. So may mga pumaporma na kailangan namin ipagpatuloy ito dahil kami ay isang co-equal branch of government. Yung ganun ba na pagpapapogi?
I get what you're saying about he should have come out more guns blazing, right? Especially on the issues like ICC, the impeachment. Pero it's also one of those situations where damned if you do, damned if you don't. what can you say about the impeachment that's not going to earn you criticism, right?
Defend the
Mahirap
Constitution.
It's a very tight space
Defend
to
the Constitution.
navigate.
Be as indirect and yet as dramatic as that.
The
We
way
should
he
defend-
also mentioned, there was really no mention of the Sabongeros. I'm not sure if I
Hardly.
didn't catch
Hindi
that,
ko-
but he said
yeah.
he will go after you, kung sino ka man, mayaman man, makapangyarihan man. So which was construed as alluding to the missing Sabongeros
Yeah.
case.
Pero nabanggit na kasi ng kanyang Justice Secretary na may mga
Humaharap.
important people from the previous government na involved dito. So, pwede niyang sundan yon, pero hindi lang niya ginawa. No? Halimbawa, inuulit ko yung sa West Philippine Sea, walang mawawala sa kanya ron. Walang mawawala sa kanya. Dahil tinayuan siya last zona eh. Nag-standing ovation
It's
eh.
one of those things that's motherhood kasi. If you talk about, yes, I mean, we're all aligned when it comes to WPS, you know. There's nothing that you can, what can he announce
If you have
that's new,
people there,
right?
20, that's not motherhood.
And also you're
It's,
speaking about our sovereignty.
That's not
You're-
motherhood.
you
No,
know.
no, I know, I get it.
Yeah.
But again,
Yun yung magiging difference eh.
what's the win there?
There will
Kasi from the previous administration as well, di ba?
Oh, hindi. Ang win mo ron ay, una, kinukumpara mo pa rin yung policy mo doon sa policy ng previous government. Ikalawa, ay galing sa 9th anniversary ng UNCLOS, ay...
Which is just 2 weeks ago.
Ay in-emphasize mo pa rin.
Correct.
Yan, no? At ikatlo, ay isa kasi sa strong point mo yung foreign policy mo. Na halos lahat nag-agree eh. So,
Correct. Everyone's
Pwede rin
aligned.
niyang
Oo.
i-link yun sa international recognition because we're building a coalition, di ba, of partners.
yes, at saka ngayon, mas maraming sumusuporta sa iyo.
Correct.
Nandiyan ang India, nandiyan ang France, nandiyan ang
So,
Korea.
Oo
you're
nga.
saying this is a speech of missed opportunities.
Ang sinasabi natin, it could have been done much better.
Because you're right, we were just talking to Dindo before the show, and si Dindo would know all about the international partnerships because it's his group that is always liaising with the embassies, right? So in the past year, we've seen France step up, we've seen Japan step up, we've seen Australia, the UK, either commit equipment or talk about participating in the drills, military drills, right?
Yes.
So that's one thing that oo nga hindi na mention that could have been big to say, look, we are building a coalition of like-minded partners,
Hindi lang ito US, parang ganon.
especially
Sasabihin mo.
tama.
especially off the back of President Trump saying, I wouldn't mind at all if they had a relationship with China, right?
yeah.
So
At yung ICC, for the past few months, pinag-uusapan kung tayo ay babalik. So, ngayon sana yung tamang panahon para sabihin
maybe
mo.
he hasn't made up his mind, you know. ICC
So,
return is a big decision.
tatanong ba natin kay Ron